Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images, like that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them and tap on Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!